Friends, today India is one of the fastest growing economies in the world. Yes, the current government policies and changing technological developments are creating a favorable environment to encourage many entrepreneurs in the country. Due to this, the startup ecosystem in India is growing rapidly. Moreover, in this changing scenario, many sectors have emerged that are not only profitable but also have immense growth potential. However, to start a successful business in India, it's very important to choose the right industry. Therefore, in today's video, we provide a brief introduction to the top 15 industries that can help you start a new business and achieve success. So watch the video completely, and if you like this video, like and share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Come on, let's take a look at the best industries one by one. Hi friends, and welcome to New Business Ideas. Number 1. Pharmaceutical supplies business. India is one of the largest generic drug manufacturers in the world. Moreover, with the increasing health awareness and spread of diseases in the country today, the demand for medicines and medical supplies is constantly increasing. Therefore, in this sector, you can start a business of medicine distribution, surgical equipment supply, or medical equipment sales. Moreover, this business has low risk and potential for good returns, especially in small towns and cities where the supply chain is weak. Number 2. Cloud Kitchens business. Cloud Kitchen is a new and revolutionary model in the restaurant industry. Yes, the market size and scope of which is growing rapidly as people want to enjoy a variety of cuisines from the comfort of their homes. And in this, food is prepared for multiple brands from a single kitchen and delivered to customers through online delivery apps. So you can start it with low cost and take advantage of the rapidly growing online food delivery market. Number 3. EV and mobility business. Currently, the Indian government is implementing schemes like FAME to promote electric vehicles, and its market size and scope are rapidly expanding as people embrace greener transportation options. Thus, there are many business opportunities in this sector, such as setting up EV charging stations, electric vehicle repair and maintenance services, and EV battery swapping stations. In this scenario, you can easily succeed by starting any of these businesses. Number 4. Digital health support business. There has been a huge increase in demand for digital healthcare services after the pandemic. Yes, this has made quality healthcare accessible to people in remote areas as well. In addition, services such as telemedicine, online doctor consultation, electronic management of health records, and remote patient monitoring are opening new doors for entrepreneurs. So you can use this new technology to create a platform that connects patients with doctors or manages health data. Number 5. Construction-based business. The government's focus on infrastructure development and urbanization in India has increased to an unprecedented level. Due to this, smart cities, highways, and housing projects are driving huge growth in the construction sector. So you can start a business in this sector by supplying construction materials and renting construction equipment or taking contracts for small and medium-sized construction projects. However, it is a highly competitive industry. Number 6. E-commerce logistics business. E-commerce is a major driver of India's growth, and their market size and scope are growing rapidly as more people embrace the convenience of online shopping. Yes, this market is expected to reach $163 billion by the end of this year, hence leading to a huge increase in the demand for logistics and distribution services. In this scenario, you can start a last-mile delivery service, warehousing or packaging service business for e-commerce. Number 7. Artificial intelligence industry. Artificial intelligence or AI is no longer just a concept, but it is becoming an integral part of every industry. Not only that, government support for AI startups in India is increasing, and its market size and scope are growing rapidly as today's businesses adopt AI for competitive advantage. Therefore, you can start a career in fields such as chatbot development, data analytics, machine learning models, etc., providing AI-based solutions. Number 8. Pet care business. People's awareness and spending habits on pets are increasing not only in metropolitan areas but also in small towns. Yes, as pets are becoming important members of the family, their market size and scope are constantly growing. So you can start a business that offers pet care services, pet grooming, dog walking, or sells pet food and accessories. Yes, this pet care is an industry that still has very little competition. Number 9. Biotechnology business. Advances in biotechnology are providing new solutions in sectors such as healthcare, agriculture, and environmental protection. And in India, it's growing rapidly and has enormous potential. Yes, the use of biotechnology in sectors such as healthcare, agriculture, and environment is increasing. So you can start a business based on innovations in the field of biopharmaceuticals, agrobiotechnology, or industrial biotechnology. Number 10. Solar and wind energy business. Renewable energy is essential to India's energy security and climate change goals. Furthermore, the government has created huge opportunities for solar and wind energy businesses through various schemes. Due to this, the size and scope of this renewable energy market is growing rapidly. So you can take advantage of this by installing and maintaining solar panels or starting small-scale solar power generation. Number 11. Agriculture and Agri-Tech. India is an agricultural country and agriculture plays a vital role in the economy. Moreover, the use of new technology is growing rapidly to increase farmers' productivity and reduce costs. So you can start agri-tech startups that provide farmers with better seeds, drone-based crop monitoring, or an online marketplace for agricultural products. Yes, organic farming is a fast-growing sector with good opportunities. Number 12. Fashion and apparel manufacturing. India's fashion and apparel sector is one of the largest in the world. It is a sector with a large domestic market as the demand for trendy, affordable, and sustainable clothing is increasing among young consumers. There is also the support of government schemes like the Indian Textiles Upgrading Scheme to promote global competitiveness. Therefore, starting a business in this sector can be a very lucrative deal due to this growing domestic and export demand. Number 13 is packaging industry. In India, the eco-friendly packaging industry is growing rapidly due to the increasing demand in e-commerce, FMCG, pharmaceuticals, and food delivery business. Moreover, today's companies prefer brand-specific, attractive packaging designs to grab customer attention. Hence, you can start a business opportunity in custom printed packaging, biodegradable products, paper bags, corrugated boxes, and food-grade packaging. Number 14. Beauty and personal care products. The beauty and personal care industry is growing rapidly due to the increasing grooming habits and increasing influence of social media on consumer choices today. Moreover, as consumers increasingly shift towards neutral, chemical-free, and premium quality products, you can venture into businesses like organic skin and hair care brands, men's grooming products, herbal cosmetic manufacturing, beauty salons, and online personal care stores. Number 15. Educational technology. Friends, today the use of educational technology is increasing rapidly in almost every educational sector. Yes, especially in schools, colleges, training centers, and corporate training sectors, it not only provides better learning methods but also reduces the cost of teaching. Therefore, you can start a business like providing AI-powered learning platforms, virtual classrooms, personalized training applications, and automation solutions for the education sector. All the businesses listed above are part of the industry. So if you want more information about these businesses, please check our website and the link in the video description. We hope this video will help you in initiating your own business. Thanks for watching, friends. Subscribe for more exciting business ideas and don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, share it with your friends. See you in the next video.